Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to record or how to capture your macOS screen without any audio using ScreenCaptureKit for a native macOS application. I will definitely make videos about how to capture both screen as well as audio, but this video will be only about how to capture screen. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you guys the output. So I will quickly run my application, and here I have just created a native macOS application using Xcode, and I'm using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Now as soon as I click on the start button, you can see that it opens this screen recording options. So because screen recording is like an elevated or risky permission, that's why the user will have to manually do this. So I'm presenting the user with this option, and once you click on open system settings, here you can see my app is automatically displayed. Now the user will have to manually check this checkbox or toggle this. Then I'll just enter my password, like the system password. I'll click on modify settings. It will relaunch my app, so I will just click on quit and reopen. And once it reopens my app, I can just click on start, and it has started recording. So if you are on Sonoma, you should see at the very top a screen recording thing. Okay, and I'll just scroll through this Xcode. Like, and you can record any screen, but just for copyright issue, I don't want any copyright issue. That's why I'm recording Xcode. Then I'll just stop the recording. I'll go back to my app. I'll click on stop. So the recording has stopped. Now you can go to your downloads folder, and here you should see recording been created. And if I play this, here you can see the entire recording has been played. So my Xcode has been captured properly. So let's see how to do this. So firstly you will have to create a native macOS application, and the important thing which you have to do is inside app sandbox, you inside downloads folder, you have to give read write permission. Next you will have to just go to view controller, and I have kept it pretty simple on the UI part. So also for Mac, this feature of screen capture kit is this is a new API actually. So it is only available from macOS 13. So you have to update your deployment target to macOS 13 at least minimum. If you are using older version, then I think you will have to use some other API of capturing, but screen capture kit is the recommended way of capturing screen. So firstly I have taken this view controller, and it is extending sc stream delegate as well as sc stream output. Then the stream type is case, screen, window, and system audio. We are ignoring system audio. You can set the video format as well. I have passed MOV and MP4. Then sc shareable content, a filter, a display, a stream type, asset writer, record mic is false, and VM input and mic input as an asset writer input. Then I have created two buttons, as well as I have also added click listeners on both of them. Now for first button when start, now to be completely honest with you, even I don't understand the entire bit of code. I have copied it from the documentation, so I'll try to explain as much as I can. So here basically what we are trying to do is we are checking for that uh, recording permission, where if it is given in the systems or not, once we display the systems app. If not, if the permission is not there, then we are displaying that. If the permission is there, then we just assign it to our available content and start our recording. So once you call this, we call this prepare record, and on stop button click, we just call the stop recording function which I have created. Inside prepared recording, we just update our screen type to screen, display screen as first screen whatever has been displayed, and here I have applied some filter. Now if you want to exclude your own app from recording, you can pass your exclude your own app from this. So here is the excluding application option, or if you want to exclude some particular window, you can do that as well, but for now I have kept it simple and I haven't passed anything. But if you want, you can do that, and here I have just called record on a task. Then we are doing stream configuration option. Then I don't know what this is all stuff, and here capture audio I have set it as false. Then we are initializing our stream, then adding it as a stream output and initializing our video and passing our configuration and doing stream.start capture. Now for stop recording, if we just check if stream is not equal to nil, then just call stop capture, set it to nil, call close video, and stream type is also nil. Next, for initialization of video, we are file ending is mp4, but if you want mov, you can do that. Then we define the file type, and depending on that we assign it whatever we have chosen for file ending. And here we save the file to downloads directory, so that this is what this code is. And here I have just appended date to our file name, so that each file which we record is unique. And then we do this asset writer. Now I don't know what all this stuff is. Okay, so yeah, you can just pause the video and you can copy it if you want to. And here we are just creating a asset writer input. So basically whatever has been captured, we are just writing that and saving it to our file. Then for close video, this is the thing. Again, I'm not really sure what this is. And here, if you remember, we are just overriding like extending these two things. So with the help of that, we are overriding few methods as well. Then first one is did output sample buffer. Again, I'm not really sure what this does. You can just copy paste if you want to. And similarly, like did stop with error, we are just stopping our recording. So yeah, that's how it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.